today I show you how you can delete WordPress theme on your website. So for example, on your live website, maybe you have some themes like this is the activated theme. This is another theme like that. So for example, if you want to this theme delete, or if you want to delete any other themes, so how you can delete? For example, if you click here, there is no option for delete. Alright. So if you want to delete live theme, then you should go activate another theme. For example, I want to activate this theme. Then if I click there, then here is showing the delete. But if I go to live theme, and there is no showing like activated theme. Alright. So you remember just when you want to delete any themes, then it should be deactivated, not active. Alright. So for example, I want to delete hello elementor theme. Alright. So if I want to delete, just I click delete, then okay. Okay, deleted, done. It's easy, and thanks for the watching. Bye bye.